kind of introduction that I can give about Rizwan, because everybody knows him. But he is one of our B members. He's got a finesse of a connoisseur. He's an expert. When he talks very specific, very clear, and been very inspiring to our team. From whatever little I know about his professional experience, he has been working for long with Shapurji Palanji as a head of facility management Pan India, something similar to what Sana Kazi has been doing. And he has been been an achiever in his professional career. Currently, I think he is now also striving to be an entrepreneur, if I am not mistaken. And he also has some experience in doing farming on a small scale at Kadwai. So he's going to share some of his experiences with us.
Before I start my presentation on my quest on farming, I would like to take a look at this slide and why I chose this as a slide. See, essentially all of us from Kadwai and nearby villages, we all have land. Am I right in saying this? We all have land, our forefathers' land, right? And we all take great pride in talking about it. माझी इतकी जागा है, माझे इतके आंबे हैं, माझे इतका है, ये है. But and I was party to it. I was listening to all these years. But the bigger question for me was, what are we doing about it? Of course, we had our own careers to take care of, our own reasons to become urban dwellers, right? We all had that. But then we only spoke about it. And we took great pride in talking about it and doing nothing about it. So there came a time when I saw my land. My father one day showed me my land or his land, and I saw that all was happening was the way it remained the way it was for many years. I mean, there was no caretaking, there was no watering done, nothing that would call us or our forefathers as possibly as farmers. There was nothing happening on that front. One day what happened, the place where I live, there's a stream, water stream flowing, and I was standing there. And across the stream was, khet hai, sare khet hai. And one of the khet was belonged to us. And the adjacent one belonged to somebody else in the village. What I noticed was, it had become a dumping yard. It had actually become a dumping yard. And I kept looking at it, and I sort of argued with my father and my people in the house. And what is happening? What are we doing about it? No answer. I had no answer to it. Time passed, and every time I visited there, I saw that the dumping yard was increasing. And that was the trigger point. That was the trigger point for me. And my wife used to keep telling me, "Tumi asas bolat raha hai, karat na." Okay, so it was a trigger point for me that very soon this dumping yard, adjacent to mine, is going to reach the space which belongs to us. Mind you, that space which belongs to us is only about 5 gunte or 5,000 square feet. Right? It's only about that. So, in the month of January 2019, when I stepped into the village with my family, I said, this is it. Now, no more thinking about it, no more analyzing things, no more talking about it in air. I am going to do it. What I am going to do, I don't know. But I am going to take care of this land. I am going to at least take care that this is not going to be another dumping here. Right? Now, how do I start? I didn't know what to do because I have no ABCD about farming as such. So, there was no point in talking to people who were taking pride, right? Actually, there is no pride. So I spoke to a villager who does labor job, who does fencing job, who does the basic groundwork. I called him one day and I said, "He जागा बघा आणि मला सांगा इथे काय करायचं." So he said, "साहेब तुम्ही fencing लावून टाका. First put a fence, then toil the land, toil the soil. The soil will tell me what all you can grow there. Right? This was the trigger point. And then I realized a bigger thing, that this is not easy because it requires capital. Even to do a small piece of land of 5,000 square feet, I had to put my hand in my own pocket many number of times. I said, "Ye महंगा सौदा है. Why should I do it?" You know, it was one step forward, 3 steps backwards. And I was now, talking to myself, asking myself, why am I doing it? I have a good job, I have a cushy job, I am a urban dweller, तो मैं यहाँ क्यों करूँ? जैसे चल रहा है चलने दो, हम खाते रहेंगे. No need of toiling this. But then, as I had, told myself and told my family that, नहीं, this is it. मैं अब करूँगा. ठीक है? I got this fencing done. I toiled the soil, and I would like you all to take a look at the pictures, rundown of how it was and how it is now. So I got some pictures.
I can handle.
Yeah. So I'll just go back. So this is the slide I chose because today I realized that the fun lies in doing it and not only talking about it. Because I never had this idea of going commercial. I didn't know what I would do with it, but I wanted to do it. That was the most important point, right? It is very important to know what lies beneath the soil, right? So this is the place, and I have started calling it the Green Gate. Incidentally, there is a very funny story. What happened? Why I call it Green Gate is this gate. What you see, actually, I told the painter to paint it white, but as things are, he painted it green. Okay, and before I could shout at him, I realized, fine, green to green, it has to be green, right? The soil. I'm going in for a green project. And then it struck me, why not call it the Green Gate? So I called it the Green Gate. Some things are incidental. It was just coincidence. So this is a piece of land. Okay. This is how it looked before. This was the dumping yard I was talking about. And after clean up and all that, this is how it looked. This is about 2 years back. Then what happened was, the journey started in what all to grow there. So I started growing everything. What all I lay my hands on. Somebody told me bananas, somebody told me papayas. Incidentally, because of my background, I got hold of a horticulturist who was from my own company. And I called him from my place. I said, tell me, what do I do with this land? So he says, tell me, is the soil red, black, what? So I sent him pictures. He said, okay, fine, I'm sending you a plan, do that. So now who will do it? Who will do it was the bigger question. So I realized that I only have to put my hands in soil. And fortunately for me, I had about 2 people who live in the outhouse of my village house. A couple who helped me. Right? This is a lady, Bismillah. Her name is Bismillah. So that's my father. That's the house. This is the street, and this is the place. So this is how the work started. Some tarike ke sabzi, whatever I laid my hands, and another realization was where to get these seeds from. I didn't know. So again, somebody told me, Sanmeshwar Laza, there are some shops there. Believe me, this also was learning. Taking a bus, going to Sanmeshwar, and seeing that shops. And I never knew in my entire life that I would click snaps of these shopkeepers. Pavda hai, sheets hai, all that. So I clicked for that. Just for, ऐसे कहीं ना कहीं मेरे को ये याद आएगी तो मैं ये दिखाऊंगा कि मैं ये दुकान में भी गया था. And then he gave me all those watermelon seeds, etc. This is how the work started. This is beans or paute in colloquial in Konkani language. This is what is grown in part of that soil or part of that, and it grows in abundance. ज़्यादा quantity में होता है. Now what do I do with it? What do I do with it? I distributed it. first person I distributed is to your aunt, my neighbor. First person.
आजूबाजूला सगळ्याचं बंडल होत आहे बरोबर आहे.
Is it in July?
She's also a neighbor.
So Rafan's mother, right? At first I said, this is for you. Okay. Tomatoes.
Wow, great.
And then came this my favorite, watermelon. Actually, I didn't know how it grew, whether it grew on trees or on soil.
आमचा माहिती होतं ना
Huh?
आमचा माहिती होतं.
How's my favorite? So every new thing that I learned was an eye opener, awakening call. I said, good, this is how it's going to happen. And just for cucumbers. And okay, this is how it looks today. And this is what all I'm growing now. Bananas, coriander, bhindi, guava, sweet melon, green chilies. All this is happening.
जरा जोरात बोल, थोडासा आवाज वाढ,
Awaz.
थोडं तुमचं बोल.
Okay, on the same
The
side.
entire, should I repeat this?
नो नो
Repeat करो.
नको नको बोला फक्त जोरात होतं.
This is how it looks today. This is what I'm growing. And the entire journey of 2 years with 1 year of COVID. Finally, this time when I went, जब मैं गया इस बार, listening to this thing. Slight smile. You know? Hard work that
We all have
went into it.
smiles seeing you.
Somewhere.
We all have smiles.
Thank you. So finally, little smile on my face because finally I was happy. Right? Next.
Thanks for the sit there.
There's some learnings which I would like to share with you all. What we see here is it's not easy. Let me tell you, we all like to dream. We all like to be farmers in our own way. I'm sure all of us like. When we travel, we like a green patch of land. We like mangoes, seeing mangoes grow, bananas grow. We all like all that. But let me tell you, it's an arduous and very difficult journey, right? Especially if you're not from that field and you don't know anything about soil. So these are some of the things which I thought I should chalk down. You need courage. You need absolute courage to get into this. Especially if you are an urban and city dweller और आप एक जॉब कर रहे हैं, आपके पास छुट्टियां नहीं हैं, and you have to go to the village and get into this. You need courage for this. Commitment. I don't need to discuss that because you need commitment for everything in life. But this is what I felt you need special commitment. Right? Conviction, because there are so many people telling you different stories, different things, what to do, what not to do. Of course, they have never done it, but they would like to
Advice you.
advise you. Advice is free, right? Cooperation. Cooperation in the sense, without my family, I would not have done it. Without their push and, what should I say, sarcasm, I would not have done it. Because there was a time when I thought to myself, I will not do this. I am leaving this and going. But then that push was necessary. And then what do I do with so much land? Whatever land it was. Capital. I spoke about capital. Believe me, without capital, nothing happens. But here, it told me a different story. Even to plant one tree or a poda, the land, the person, the water connections, the electricity, what all goes into it? One never envisaged this. Absolute ignorance. Absolute ignorance. Maybe a lot of arrogance also, but absolute ignorance. So capital. Now lessons learned. If you don't have subject knowledge, don't do it. I mean, I learned it the other way. Gain knowledge, then do it. Gain knowledge, then do it. High level of patience needed because it took me almost 6 months and multiple number of travels because I used to take the night bus, work throughout the week, take the night bus, go to the village, reach in the morning, spend two days, again take the night bus, and this I did multiple number of times. It requires patience, right? Time management. This really taught me time management. And never give up. So if today I have to do it, and which I am doing, I know one thing, I will not give up. For sure I will not give up. And this is very important. When I saw those flowering, those buds flowering and the watermelon coming up, believe me, it gave me immense satisfaction. And when I actually saw the fruits coming up and the vegetables, it really gives you immense satisfaction and happiness. Last but not the least, vision without execution is only hallucination. You have to have a vision, but you need to execute it. Otherwise, it either remains a dream somewhere, or you start hallucinating, talking about it, aisa hua, waisa hua. So, whoever is interested or whoever wants to do it, or during retirement, after retirement, whatever it is, we need to take the next step. The dreams are there, but we need to execute. So that's what I feel. This one slide I put because now the next journey has started. The farming part sort of has taken direction. Now next thing I said is okay. Now this needs chickens, this needs goats, because it's an entire nature, abundance of nature. Now one thing is supporting the other, right? So all in all, why not get into a farmhouse? This is just a thought at the moment. That's why I put this there. Right? Thank you very much.